CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka ba dunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka sa siyang perkhat biang ha kabaya day bakajig pinkinria ye kilai spa sa pu artli kilong yeng na them yaw maulong ha Bnai jiliu mentau snam arata apun rio usembut menturang ba kajelaw bakmi ya katanat penroisor uba snya balang dhar ulai thu ba ka Sorkar kadang up Ktien na ka Ministry of Defence ha kabaya day bakajing pancaka ban pensa ye kilai spa sa pu artli kilong yeng na marba hadu menta ka Ministry kampat Ktien satya syaka Sorkar.
I think next month we'll be having a meeting once more about this. We will update it. No, we are yet to take a call. So whether we'll go with the defense line if they are ready or not, whether we will do according as per the previous blueprint. So that we have to take a call on this.
But how?
So my officer has connected with them. So we are yet to receive a report from the officer of the Urban Affairs Department. What are the latest report or information from defense line to the department? Only then we will be able to take a call on this issue.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.